Ooh. Morning, y'all. Morning, everybody. My phone at. Here you go. Morning, good morning. Welcome in. Welcome. Oh, snap and switch my screen. Hey. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome. Hope everybody doing well, man. Awesome jump. Hope everybody's feeling good. Hope everybody had a good night's rest. Chant like that. Hope y'all boys doing good, man. This is day 25. The 25th day of day trading options. Clap it up, man. Clap it up. 25th day day trading options. It's currently Monday. Market just opened. It's 8:32 a.m. Currently got $802 in my account in paper trading. And the spot price over in between this number and 667. So yeah. We only got 6 more days, I think. 5-6 more days. Let's see, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30. 6 more days of trading. And we would have complete the challenge. Now the question is, however, can I get to 1250 in 6 days? My original goal to hit after day trading. I need $600 more. Yeah, $650 more actually. That's fascinating, but I believe I can hit it still. I'm so tired. The day is ridiculous, boy. Rough this morning, but it was rough. But hey, I'm up. The grind must go on. The grind must continue. It's the 25th day. I'm gonna try to make bread today. It'll be so nice if I can go up 100 today. But like we've been doing, we're gonna wait till 30 minutes before we put a trade in. We're gonna wait till 9 o'clock. And hopefully make bread, man. Come on today. Well, let me go to my website, kind of see what the market doing right now. U.S. stocks are tumbling Monday as oil surges. It could be going down today. Interesting, good to know. U.S. stocks are tumbling Monday as oil surges past the $100 mark before retreating SG7 gathers. Interesting. Dang, everything pretty much down. Dang, the Dow down. S&P down. Everything is down. I ain't gonna lie. Imagine I hit a futures trade for oil. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. McDonald's stock really dropped after that. After the CEO did that. That's crazy. But I know that burger was so nasty, but he took that bite. That junk, man, like it threw up, but heck nah. You know that junk nasty. Okay. Chat, y'all know these CEOs don't be eating their own food. You know, them boys rich. They ain't finna eat no poisonous McDonald's and like Burger King and all that junk. Them boys ain't eating that stuff, but freak out of here. Alright, what's this? Economy. Oil up almost 10%. Gold down. What's VIX? CBO volatility index. What the freak is that? Let me look that up, bro. What is VIX? VIX. The volatility index, or VIX, is the annualized implied volatility of hypothetical S&P 500 stock option with 30 days to expire. Huh? Indicates the stock market's expectation of the the stock market's expectation of future volatility over the next 30 days. So basically the S&P over the next 30 days, like an option. Derived from the S&P 500 index, options are often called the fear gauge. A high VIX signals fear, uncertainty, and expected large price swings up or down, while a large VIX suggests complacency and stability. The volatility can rise even during uptrends. So it's basically like 30 days of the market, basically 30 days of the overall market, S&P 500, and kind of where it's going. I'm learning things, shit. Go to coin inflation, so gold and silver at all that stuff. Silver $85, gold at $5,100. Okay. Oh, the winner's gonna break $100 again, silver. Silver right here. Silver shares 76 right here. QQQ, Amazon, everything down. Yeah, we're gonna keep watching so we can do the day check. How y'all feeling? Where y'all watching from? Let me know. It's currently been 7 minutes since market open. Kind of like it's been headed downward so far. I'm expecting everything to be down just based on the market. Look like everything gonna be down today. What y'all thinking though, chat? What y'all think? Y'all think it's gonna keep going down? Or is it gonna reverse to the upside? Let me know. Wow, this jump going down. I feel like it's been longer than 25 days. That's crazy. Like it's been way longer than that, but you know, it's only been 25. It's been longer than 25 days, but it's just certain, you know, weekends and then certain holidays we had couldn't trade on them days. So still, I feel longer than that. Oh, I feel hungry right now. Rico. I'm never heard I didn't hear that. Oh, let's move. I'm just reading some real quick. Chat. Spot resistance current contract resistance 670, support 662. Let's see some. This is 670. Yes. Come on, brother. That'll be like right there. And then it's 662.5. This is 2.5. Bro, come on, bro. Just making some levels real quick. Check. 662. I can't get right to 650. What type of junk is this? It's kind of like right there and right there. It's gonna hover between that. Futures though. It still should be the same though, right? Oh, it's definitely a downtrend though, so is it not gonna keep going down or is it gonna? Let's see. Screen the 843 chat. Just gonna keep watching. Just looking up some trade stuff on my phone. Probably finna watch this video too. So how y'all feeling, man? If y'all can hear my voice right now, put like a good morning or something in the chat. Shoot on a little bit. Just let me know you're there, man. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. I feel like I'm talking to thin air right now. Yeah, I might be. Tunde Street. This is a Christian run. Here's what this is. Charles Schwab. I could just go Robinhood. I can also go there. It's like day trading. So take the positions. I can also go Robinhood too. Do that. I could do that, cause this could go down. Check y'all like the Chinese little file, let me know. Should be hitting. Should be hitting like crack. Like crack cocaine. Like 45, just me 15 minutes is market open. Like they're jumping back quick. Got a few stuff I need to do today too, bruh. Need to go to Friday. Let's see if we can get into that. What if I roll it again? I wrote it again. I wrote it again. $15 credit. But I can. Oh my goodness, man. Start doing it on Robinhood. Trade on here. You can do it on here, people. It's like day trading. Long-term investments, Fidelity, Charles Schwab. Day trading here, and then long-term stuff. I thought you were just thinking out loud. And for the short term, do it on here. Interesting. Alright. So how y'all feel about the market? Be honest. Be honest, Chip. How can you tell when you see a flag, though? Like, does it look like a flag? Not really. I mean, that ain't no flag, right? Is it? Is that a flag? No way that's a flag. Oh, what's it called? A wedge. I don't even look right. That's not really. I mean, I don't know if that could work. I really don't know. Did I try to know? So I just looked just to see would that work. It's like almost like a wedge. So it's just a wedge, just enough. Let me go on my journal. Little trading journal. I mean, maybe that could work. I mean, I don't know. Kind of got bigger and it got smaller. That's not really one though. That's not really one. I could just work maybe, but I don't know. Yeah, no, I wouldn't recommend that. That wasn't really it for real. Yeah, I try the best I can. Yeah. It's about a plan. Hold on, chat. I'm a rapper for real. Little did you know. I'm gonna go. Hold on, yeah. Chilling with my bro. Hold on, yeah. Alright, what am I doing? Yeah, just need to keep it out for that. I should keep doing support resistance, bro. Maybe a little minute if I can recognize them. Little things. I feel like that is a support right there, though, for sure. Make it thicker. I feel like that's support. Definitely a little support. I got these outer levels that Buddy mentioned. Court. Bye. Let me go to what? Crystal Academy. I should know about that Crystal Academy. Friend. Son, yeah, it's kind of breaking it though. Oh, you are the Dragon Warrior. It's just like some Kung Fu Panda jump, but y'all ever watch Kung Fu Panda? Good movie, good movie. Your cinema. The young kids will never know. 1, 4, 5. Oh no, dang it. You the Dragon Warrior. That was foretold to come. Yeah, feeling like the Dragon Warrior. Yeah, call me the Dragon Warrior. Yeah, I'm the Dragon Warrior. Warrior. I told her I can't warrior. Told her I'm the Dragon Warrior. Yeah. I watched this video about how to start trading from scratch, contracts with his trade experience, how to enter and exit on Webull.
All right, so I just want to start by saying how I'm going to run this class, and this is how I try to structure all my classes, is I'm going to teach, and then I'll pause every now and then for questions, because I don't want to answer every single question that shows up in the chat on recording, because I know it's going to be hard to go back and learn from the recording if I have 1,000 questions. So I will signal a time for Q&A. Please make sure if you guys are in class today, you guys are paying attention. I will try to move at a speed that I feel like is not too slow, but it's not too fast. So that way everybody is able to retain the information. Also, where can people find the link for the Zoom? It's in the Crystal Links tab where you found the link for this class. Okay, so yeah, that's what we've got for today. So again, if you guys are note takers, I would suggest taking notes. It is a lot of information to retain. I will pause so that way you guys can do so. Again, it will be uploaded, but that is that. Okay, so what is options trading? How many of you guys have never traded before? All right, so I just want to start by saying how I'm going to run this class. This is how I try to structure all my classes, is I'm going to teach, and then I'll pause every now and then for questions, because I don't want to answer every single question that shows up in the chat on recording, because I know it's going to be hard to go back and learn from the recording if I have 1,000 questions. So I will signal a time for Q&A. Please make sure you guys...
Something happening. They broke this level, Chad. Did break this level. I wonder if it's gonna reject off that. I ain't gonna put it up yet, but I'm just gonna see. Trouble may bounce off that now. It's rising up again. We in a downtrend, so just need to remember that. You see any type of flag? Dang, I keep showing it. Okay, now it's doing some stuff. Wait, hold on. Maybe it's that one. Let's see, like, what? Get shorter, then it get bigger. What's that? Get shorter. Is that even one or not? I don't know if that's one. It gets shorter than bigger. Hey, man. It's still in a downtrend. I think it'd be better to play the put than the call. It's there. But it's like right here at this level though, so wait for it to get up and come back down. But it hit a double top, then drop back down. It's just 8:57 chat. I wanna try to get a trade by between 9 and 9:30. I'm trying to be acting down sometimes. And if it'll reject off that. Let's put some resistance. Where the flag junk hard, bro? Any flags? May hit a double top and come back down, maybe. Potentially. Okay, it's like a double top. Should I just pre-fire it? Should I pre-fire it? Let's think about it. I know it's a double top. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of too late now. Let me just see what I mean. I think do I pre-fire? It's a double top. I don't think it's gonna go up. I think I'm gonna pre-fire and just wait, hold on. Wait for that to hit again. It's rejected. Let's see some. I'll just put it in one contract. It's touching that. Maybe it can come back down, but will it bounce off this level though? Or could it break through? That is a double top. Let's see. Okay, it's coming down 60. But should I get a quick one? Cause it definitely could bounce off that. It's coming down. Let me see how it's looking. How I freaking scroll sideways, bro? But I can't scroll sideways now. Okay, alright, friend. Just put up one contract just to see what's going on, kinda see if it's gonna come down. I noticed a double top right there, but it's also a support level, so it's kind of like. It's a very tight squeeze. Is this some type of, it's gotta be some type of flag or something. I just can't recognize it. Should I just go and get out right here? Could it break through? Then take another position if it break through? I may do that. Just easy, just build the little small wins up. I can easily do that. Okay, I may do that next time. Just get the small win. Then if it breaks, you can take another position. Let's see. Okay. That's $28. And then if it breaks, all you gotta do is take another position. Oh my gosh, excuse me, chat. I hope you didn't hear that. Oh, smooth. Oops. Let me get my jump back out. Oh, my stuff hit. Okay. It's $28 a made, so if I was just gonna keep watching it. See what's going on. Okay, so a call. Look, wait till it hit the money. Just wait for it to hit the money. Very tight window. Very tight right here. Ain't even touched this level yet, man. Very tight windows. Any type of pattern can you see, Jonathan? I'm not really seeing a pattern so far. Maybe. Oh wait, I think it's getting tighter. Is it getting tighter? Hold on, low key. Right there, right? Or no? Is that one? It could break out from here. Is this an accurate thing? They definitely trade out, but I'm not entirely sure. You know, chat, not entirely sure. Oh snap, it is going up. Holy smokes. It might be breaking up. I did peep that little. That's like a wedge, you know. Maybe I should have been more patient. Let's see. I'm gonna get out of it, just go up a little bit, cause I mean it broke out. Then it's kind of like a little wedge pattern too. I'm gonna see though. That was another level, kinda. It could come to right there and reject. It could come all the way here and reject. If I can get to there, that'll be fire. That'll be so fire. Cause it hit a support resistance right here. These two levels. That wick right there. It could go up to that point. Because support and resistance was right there. It broke the resistance. And then it was kind of like a little wedge too. I don't know if it even classifies a wedge. Or is would that be like a what's it called, a pendant? It's not a flag, I don't think. Now keep looking at the thing. But I do believe it can come to this level. Because it's way past the other resistance levels right here. Past that kept going up. It can definitely hit these two. Where these two candles are. And even if it do come down, it can definitely bounce off. Because it broke. I'm just gonna keep watching chat. It's currently 9:05. I got in 2 contracts. I'm not gonna panic, I'm gonna just keep watching. Dude, that's a pretty ugly number. Just gotta hope it reject. What the freak happened? Dang, what happened? Oh my gosh. I gotta get out, bruh. Oh my gosh, what just happened? What just happened? What just happened? What just happened? I mean, I don't know. I mean, it was 3 bullish candles. And it just jumped down. I don't know. I thought I had some. Thought I seen some. It broke the level. Thought I was gonna go to here. Dang it, bro. That's not good, Jonathan. Come on, bro. Dog it, man. What's these calls? That's not good at all, man. That's not good at all. That's unfortunate, chat. Very unfortunate. What made that to be so red? Was that not a pendant at all? Cause it kind of broke out. Or was that more, or was it like, it was more of like that and then, nah, cause there would just be no trends. Dang it. I mean, yeah, it's looking down. Dang it, bruh. Thought I had something going. I guess I'm just getting lucky then. I should have put in 1 contract instead of 2. I got kind of cocky. Thought I knew what I was doing. That hurt. That one hurt. I ain't gonna lie, that one hurt. Wish I just go. Even if I went straight support resistance, I still probably would have did that. It would have been like, it's another little level right there, so me hit that. I still would have did that probably. I could have took the win right there, yeah. But even when it went right here, I was like, it may bounce off. I should have just sold right there. Probably. Like once it peaked, but I was like, even if it peaked a little bit, it's gonna shoot back up, but it fell so quickly. I couldn't even like react quick enough, man. Dang. That's unfortunate. We're gonna try to bounce back though. We're gonna try to bounce back. It is another level right there, kinda. What happens if I go hour time? Nothing probably, cause just one big stick. One big can. The freak, what they took me? Hello? Oh snap, that's what it look like. Like a whole bunch of nonsense right here. I thought I had something. Why right here? Why did it come right here and go down? It was a level right there. I didn't even peep that. I just peeped this one. I didn't even peep that one. Wow, you gotta look at all of them. So I should have got out right there. Instead of waiting If it would have hit this one and getting out, you could have got out right there. And if it broke, you could have got in again, maybe. Potentially. I gotta get back in. I can't lose. I can't end it like this. It may hit like another little bottom and shoot back up, maybe. Wow, I see it now. I see it now. Jonathan, I see it. You see it? Yeah, I see it. This level. This one got. This one had 3 too, but yeah, this one had 3. The candle, and then the wick, and then the other candle. Candle. Cause see, it hit off the body of these 2. Wait. Right here, hit off the body of those 2, and then that candle wick. So I should have got out right there. Would have been up red. I was kind of planning these levels and jump. I seen it. Yeah, that's me. That's my fault, 100%. I could have made bread. If I would have just peeped that right here, I would have got out right here. I would have been out. Bruh. With bread. Dang it. That's me. Come on. It's like a little W. Low key, kind of like a cup and handle too. Like a cup and handle, bruh. Cup and that's bears too, ain't it? Cup and handle. That's bullish. Oh, it's a bullish continuation pattern. Okay, well, never mind then. It's a bullish pattern. 9:13 a.m. shit. Dang, man. Slightly down off that because thought I was getting somewhere. Well, I am, because I definitely am. Ain't gonna let that get me down. That's a mistake. Instead of trying to ride it way up here, I should have just got out right where these points touch, and I would have been up bread. So that's me. You should get out right there to position. I don't know what it's gonna do now. Okay, that look like a pole. Is that not a pole? Hold on. But nah, nothing touching. Nothing touching though. You sure it could be a pole with nothing touching? Okay, bearish pennant. Pole, come down. Is it getting tighter? Do it like it's getting tighter? That's not really one. Bro, nothing touching right here. Nothing touching. That can't be it because nothing touching. That can't be it. If you break this line, it'd be higher. I mean, yeah, that's yeah, but nothing touching though, so I can't really. Now, however, it is kind of going down pretty much. Maybe it's that one. But I can't take that trade. If I take it, then it just come back down. That's not gonna be beneficial for me. I got all type of nonsense on my chart, chat. I'm just trying to look at stuff, figure stuff out, bro. Hey, I know for next time what to do. I totally didn't look at this. If I would have seen this, bruh. What if it can pass the rejecting off that level? Okay, now it passed. Hold on, I'm gonna wait. Ain't gonna put it yet. So now just trying to get, there ain't enough to put up. It's going right back down, kinda. See if it's gonna reject. It's down to 17. Ah, man. Come on. See if it's gonna close above it. Rejecting. That nigga, I think I should just stick with support and resistance right now until I like know it. Just keep looking at the chart patterns so I can really like figure something out. It's gonna close above it, okay? Let's see, where would this go? It'll go above that probably. Right here. There's a few of them right here. That's not enough. And then the next one is up here. Dang it. This shit got me scary now, cause I should just put one contract. That's me. I'm trying to hurry up and get up and just getting overconfident, too cocky. I can't really tell where it's gonna go now. I can't tell these like wedges or whatever. I don't know. It's got another upward trend now, but I don't know where it's gonna stop at. It's gonna reject it right here. That is a rejection level, kind of. Ah, man, come on, brother. It's 9:19. I don't want to be here past 9:30 for real. I mean, it is spring break. I ain't got school today, but still, it's like, so don't want to be on too long. Then stuff can get bad and jump. What trend? What trend are we in? We still in the downtrend. Did they hit no double top or nothing? I mean, that's not a double top though, is it? I mean, right here, but I mean, so was that the double top that I missed out on? Is that one? Can't count that though, right? Bray rejected so hard off that. Actually took a put right there too. Man, I'm nervous to. Let me watch.
You guys are in class today. You guys are paying attention. I will try to move at a speed that I feel like is not too slow, but it's not too fast. So that way everybody is able to retain the information. Also,
Still in the
where can
Dodge,
people
man.
find the link for the Zoom? It's in the Crystal Links tab where you found the link for this class. Okay, so yeah, that's what we've got for today. So again, if you guys are note takers, I would suggest taking notes. It is a lot of information to retain. I will pause so that way you guys can do so. Again, it will be uploaded, but that is that. Okay, so what is options trading? How many of you guys have never traded before? This is your first time. Is this anyone's first class in Crystal Academy at all? Or is this like your second class, your third class? Do you guys come to the live trading Zooms or anything? Okay, we have first time, second class, first time. I love this. All the first timers. I love this. I love this. I love this. Okay, so I want to start this class by prefacing what options trading actually is. So for the record, this is a lot different than trading stocks. So this is not like we are going to be investing long term. This is not we buy a share of Apple, we hold it for 10 years from now, I don't know what the market doing. When you are trading, you are actively trading, meaning that we are in and out within the same day. Sometimes I'll be in and out of trades within 1 or 2 minutes and I'll go on about the rest of my day. That's why I love options trading so much, because it has honestly allowed me to make the most out of my time and my day, because I trade in the morning, I'm going about the rest of my day, and that's it. So with options trading, it's different from long-term investing, because you guys, if you have ever heard anything in the stock trading world, you may have heard the phrase to buy low and sell high. Well, yes, to an extent, that's what we do in options trading. We also have the opportunity to buy high and sell low as well. That's because with trading options, we can make money regardless of whether the stock goes up or down. That is why I love options trading. So if something happens with the election and all the stocks tank tomorrow, if something happens with the new presidency and all of a sudden we have a market crash, the reason why I love trading is because this is recession proof. Honestly, and this is going to sound terrible, I wake up every day and I pray the stock market crashes. I actually light candles in my basement every night, hoping that the stock market crashes. Why? Because we can make money whether it goes either direction. So if it goes up a lot, we're up. If it goes down a lot, we're up. And that's why I love options trading. This is not futures trading. So what we're going to be covering in the first half of the class cannot be applied to futures trading, because we're learning specifically about options. Now, what we learn about on the charts can be applied to any market, because at the end of the day, a chart is a chart, a candlestick is a candlestick, and we'll get there. But when it comes to specifically this portion of the class, this is only limited to options trading. This is not Forex trading. Did anybody get caught up in the whole Forex thing back during COVID? Or did you guys see that? Like when people, I feel like everybody in their, yes, this class is only for Diamond members. Everybody in their mom, okay? Everybody in their mom was trying to do Forex and you fell for it. I hate that for you. I hate that for you. Like it was a scary time. It was a very scary time. And what got me the most about that is that when I first started trading, I started trading around 2021, I think. And so that was like kind of after Forex was the thing. And so when I heard about trading, all I heard in my head was trading. And I said, you know what? I'm cool after that one. Because I just assumed it was a scam. I just assumed that it was that and I was cool. For the record, this is not Forex trading. This is specifically trading options. And I hate that because I feel like as a result, it gave trading a really bad rep, because I honestly thought trading was a scam strictly because Forex. And the thing is back then, the people who were successful at it weren't really successful because they were just like insane traders. It was because a lot of times they were getting money from signups. Now, I just want to let you guys know, Forex trading itself is not a scam. Like the foreign exchange market is a real thing. It's just that whole thing got people. But this is not that, okay? So we are buying and selling, we are actively trading. So for options trading, you're going to need, I would suggest 2 devices. I personally like to look at the charts on my computer and then I trade on my phone. I find it easier to do that way. I would not suggest to anyone to trade on one device solely, because you have to be able to look at a chart to know why you're entering and why you're exiting. That's what we're going to be learning later today, how to actually read the stock charts, okay? So with that being said, let's go into the pros to trading and the qualities of a successful trader. Before we can get into anything, I will always keep it real with y'all about what trading is and what trading is not. So to succeed in trading, you need to be willing to grow as a person, and you have to understand exactly what it is you are getting into.
Get up,
one of the best things that I love about trading is the fact that you are able to grow and compound an account. So you can start with $300, $3,000, or $30,000. Trading is about percentage, right? So think of it this way. The same trading skills are going to apply no matter how much money you have in your trading account. So if you're someone and you're like, you know what, I want to start with $20, cool. If you can turn $20 into $40, you can turn 1,000 into 2,000. You can turn 50K into 100K. So if you were to make a 20% return on $300, that would be $60.
Can I see?
If you were to make a 20% return on $3,000, that would be $600. If you were to make a 20% return on $30,000, that would be $6,000. So I don't want you guys to focus so much at first on how much you're putting in. Most people, when they start trading, they don't want to throw in all that money. And honestly, I wouldn't suggest doing that regardless. You know what I mean? I would never suggest throwing in hundreds of dollars into a trade or thousands of dollars into a trading account if you don't know what you're doing. But you have to look at it as far as skill, because the same skill that you are using on a smaller account size is the same skill that you are going to be using on a larger account size. Okay. So again, if you can make a 20% return consistently off of $50, great. Because you'll know that once you have more money in your account, you'll be able to do the same thing. A lot of you guys may see my Instagram and you'll see me post like what I've made from trading that day. So I personally like to trade with heavy size. I like to put a little bit, no less than like between $7,000 and $12,000 to each trade that I take. If I take a trade worth $10,000 and I make, let's just say 30% on it, that's $3,000 for the day. And you may think like, wow, $1,000, that's amazing. But let's say you start and you have $300 in your trade and you make 300 back, meaning you have 100% return on your trade. While yes, technically I made more money than you did, you had a perfect trade and your trade was better than mine. So please don't get discouraged as in, I'm not making as much money as everybody else is. You don't know what people are putting in at all. You know what I mean? You don't know if somebody, because I see a lot of Instagram people do that all the time, and it bothers me because no one wants to put the percent return on their screenshots. They'll post and they'll be like, oh, just made 30K today. But it's like you put in $250,000 to make 30K. Still impressive. 30K is still impressive, but it's not like you hit for some crazy returns on that trade. You know what I mean? So do not get discouraged about numbers. Now, I do want to let you guys know, trading is not about numbers. So if you're sitting in here and you're like, oh, I'm not a numbers person, I'm not a math person, neither am I. I dropped out of college, okay? I am not a numbers person.
Shit. It's bad, man. We back under 700, man. I tried and just, you know. I don't know what happened, man. Like, I feel like it's stuff going on right here. I just can't see it. For real. I wish I got out right there. Man. I think I'm gonna get off, watch this video about this stuff, bro. Cause now I just got mad lines everywhere. It's just confusing and shit. It's still been in a downtrend, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, reverse and go back down maybe, but have to break this level. I might do one more, I don't know. Damn, should get off. I can still, this is in the downtrend, then kind of like slightly reversed, if you will. not even really reverse because it didn't break that. But still been in the downtrend the whole time. If you're looking right here, it went down and up. Down, up right here, down, up. But still like lower lows. I meant lower highs and lower lows. Lower low, lower low, lower low. Lower high, lower high. So it could come up somewhere and then come back down. I may wait for that and put down and try to at least get back to 700, man. Just take the L off that. Just play the downtrend. That's it, just the downtrend. Just rejecting that. Let it bounce. I think it's gonna reject that. I'm seeing something right here. This is some type of flag pattern or something, bro. It just is, bro. It's just some type of something. It's just some type of something, bro. Like literally. I see a pole. They're like a flag. Actually a flag or a pennant or whatever it's called. That look like something. 663. Just to hope it don't work against me and go up, cause look. Check out, see the little pole right here, and it's going like this. Kind of started, like it started bigger, then kind of got wider, and now it's getting smaller. Like, come on, bro, y'all see that, bro? Am I tripping? Was that not a flag pattern? It's kind of rejecting right there. I'm kind of guessing, I guess, somewhat to an extent. But I know we're in a downtrend, I believe, because we had a higher low and a higher low. Then we'll have another higher low. So we had a lower low, lower low, lower low. And then I kind of see that flag pattern right there forming. Or pennant, whatever it's called. So I think it can break out. I just don't hope it don't break out of here. It's in a downtrend, but it could like reverse and let jump. Lord, I want this blood to come down. But like, will it come way down here? Or will it come like down here? Because please don't play me. Oh no. It's breaking out that. No. It's breaking out that. Don't get out. It's breaking out the wrong freaking way, bro. It's breaking out the wrong way. Go down. Oh my gosh, it actually came all the way down. It's crazy. Please, no. I didn't break down. It could come back down. I mean, it broke it. Is it just gonna go up? It kind of broke, but I mean, it's still like a downtrend. Oh no! What I just didn't do? What did I just do? Wait, what? The freak did I just do? Sell it. broke out. It broke out that pattern, bruh. It did. Called market. I wonder if it keep going above that. Nah, I'm done for the day. Now it's coming back down. Yeah, nah. It was a flat. It did break out of that, but I was thinking, so could it reverse or would it go back down? Cause now it's like low, higher. Is it reversing? That's a lot of green candles too, bro. Hold on, that's a lot of green action, bro. You can push above that. That's a lot of green action. I'm gonna hit a minute, it's time to get off, but I just wanna see something. I'm trying to get you right now. Just trying to run, bro. Just going back down, just chill, just relax. Just chill, relax. Relax. Could bounce off some shit. Just off that level look like. Checked out that. Get back to 700, brother. Okay. It was kind of like a flag, and then I did like that. And it broke through. Could it keep going up, low key? It can if it break that. But if it don't, it's cooked. But still didn't pass that over. I'm just gonna get to 700. I'm going, bro. Just let me get to 700, man. That's literally it. See, I almost messed up just like that when paying attention. That's just hovering right here. Oh, brother. Dang it, look at that pendant chunk. Pennant. Okay. Entry, start entry. Yeah, it was a bullish pennant. But I just said we in a downtrend, so even though it's like a bullish pennant, kind of, but I was like, it's a downtrend though, so. So let's say break. It broke. So then entry. You could have got out like right there, something. Just in this tight window. It's not leaving this window, bro. I'm gonna get off soon. Chest, just trying to see. What's that? Not mean to put that. I don't know where did I do that. Gotta figure something out. I think I need to start watching live. That'll help me a lot. I start watching live. This definitely was a flag, bro. I could have got it right there too. This definitely was a flag though. Or a pennant. Got like 2 touches, then it was like right there. Just gotta break somewhere eventually. It ain't got no wicks above this, but they got wicks below this. That could be a sign maybe. Dip this toe. Remember the last time I kept dipping this toe? Well, I think he did it to the upside, but anyway. I might take a nap, bro. I ain't gonna count to you. Really might just take a nap. After this. So bad it's getting chat, man. Take a nap, man. So y'all still in here? Let me know, man. I see Lemonade still in here. But a hey or something. Oh, yeah, I see people don't stay consistent now. That's stressful. I got 1,000 lines trying to figure out some. That's crazy. You see, come down. You broke the trend. You could have took that. I can imagine. Bro, I mean, it's freaking green. She going up and down, up and down. Chunk of freaking joke. I take the bounce. Definitely gonna pass this area though, probably. Take a chance. 6, sell. 2, market. Just use the freak, man. Could it bounce off this area too? I think it is actually. Bouncing off that area. Sell 2 calls. This put me over it. Oh my gosh. It's gonna reverse. It's gonna reverse. Right. I should just get out of the. I'm gonna get out next time. I'm gonna get out and hit it again. don't know why I didn't get out right there. Cause you got 2, you would definitely would have hit it. Come on. Don't let it close red, please. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Let's move. Oh my gosh, I'm still on it. And it just made a whole W. If you go past that, then it may keep going. Anyway, chat, I'm done. Hope you have a good day. God bless. More jump. Jump was stressful. I'm gonna get better though, man. You have a good one. God bless. Goodbye.